Hello, everyone, and welcome back to The Growth Zone. It's George and Kate here.
And we're excited to dive into a topic that's close to both our hearts. You know, George, I've been thinking about hiring a life coach. It seems like everyone has one these days.
Yeah, it's definitely popular right now. A lot of people are turning to coaches for support, but good ones can be really hard to find. And let's be honest, they aren't exactly cheap.
Exactly. I looked up a few options and wow, it's pricey. It got me wondering, can we get those same benefits without breaking the bank?
I'm glad you asked. Have you ever thought about becoming your own life coach?
I like the sound of that. But wouldn't that defeat the purpose? Isn't the whole point of a coach to guide you and keep you on track?
True, but the cool thing is that with the right tools, you can actually guide yourself. Today, let's dig into a couple of these tools that life coaches swear by. They're simple but super effective, and best of all, you can do them on your own.
Well, I'm all ears.
Let's start with the GROW model. It's a classic in the coaching world because it's simple and super effective. GROW stands for goal, reality, options, and will.
Sounds structured. So how does it work?
All right, let's break it down using a money-saving goal as an example. Imagine you want to save $2,000 over 6 months. That's your goal, clear and specific.
Okay, so I've got the goal set. What's next?
Next up is reality. This is where you take an honest look at where you are right now. Ask yourself, how much am I saving currently? Where is my money going? Basically, get a clear picture of your current situation so you know it needs tweaking.
Got it. So reality is like taking stock of what I'm doing now to see what's working or not.
Exactly. Then we move to options. This is where you brainstorm all the ways you could reach that goal. Maybe you cut back on takeout, pick up a side gig, or even sell some stuff you don't need. It's all about opening up possibilities.
So it's like creating a menu of choices. I can pick what works best for me.
Yes, and the final step is will. This is where you make a plan and commit to it. Decide what steps you'll take and set dates for each. It's the part where you go from intention to action.
I like that. It feels doable. But what if I start doubting myself along the way?
That's actually common. A lot of people get stuck in their reality phase, where the goal can feel huge or out of reach. But the key is to focus on small steps. Start with 1 or 2 actions that feel manageable and build from there. You'll be surprised how quickly things add up.
Awesome. So what's the next tool?
The next one is SWOT analysis. It's popular in business, but also incredibly useful for personal goals. It stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats.
Interesting. How would I use that for something like finding a job abroad?
Great example. Let's go through it step by step. Strengths. Think about what you're naturally good at. Maybe you're skilled in your field, have language skills, or are adaptable to new cultures. These strengths give you an edge when job hunting abroad. Weaknesses. Now take a look at areas you might need to improve. Maybe you don't know the language well or lack contacts in the new country. The idea isn't to discourage yourself, but to know what you could work on. Opportunities. This is where you look at what's out there that could help. Are there job fairs, online platforms, or networking groups that specialize in connecting international job seekers? Are there skills you could learn that would make you more appealing to employers abroad? And threats. Finally, consider what could get in the way. Maybe there's high competition in the job market or visa requirements are strict. Knowing the potential obstacles helps you prepare and think ahead.
Wow, so SWOT analysis gives you a realistic view from all angles. I can see how it'd help me get clear on what I need to do to boost my chances.
Absolutely. It's great for people who like a balanced, honest overview. And remember, don't dwell too much on weaknesses or threats. Use your strengths to tackle challenges and stay focused on opportunities.
So today we've covered the GROW model and SWOT analysis, 2 powerful tools that anyone can use to coach themselves.
That's right. The GROW model is fantastic for giving you a step-by-step framework, and SWOT analysis helps you see the full picture, both the positives and potential challenges.
And here's the best part, you're in control. You don't have to rely on finding the perfect coach, spending tons of money, or wondering if they're the right fit. With these tools, you become your own coach.
Exactly. Self-coaching not only saves money, but builds self-reliance and boosts confidence. You're learning to guide yourself, which is empowering. Give these tools a try. You might be surprised at how effective they are.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
We hope this inspires you to take charge of your own growth journey.
Until next time, keep challenging yourself and stay inspired.